What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And as y'all seen by the title, my new steering wheel finally came in. So this video, I'm not gonna be putting them on yet. I'm gonna wait till, I ain't gonna say the next video, but probably the video after that. That's when we probably gonna go ahead and throw the steering wheel on the car. I've been watching videos. Really? I've been watching videos on how to install them, and like I said, it's not hard. All I literally gotta do is just take this bolt off, then put the kit on, and then we can go ahead and throw the steering wheel on. So yeah, it's not hard. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna unbox everything in a second, but right now I just wanted to talk to y'all real quick. Now, we was gonna test fit that wheel on the Charger today, but once again, it's raining, so I can't do it. Because for one, I don't want to get rained on and get wet, and then my camera get wet, then I lose my footage, then you feel me, I ain't got no camera no more. So I ain't trying to do all that right now. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, because let me make sure. Now, it said it was not supposed to rain tomorrow, so hopefully you feel me, it don't rain tomorrow. We supposed to be in the clear. Yeah, so it ain't supposed to rain tomorrow. We supposed to be in the clear tomorrow, and we supposed to be in the clear Sunday. So I'm gonna try to record tomorrow. I'm gonna try to record us throwing the wheels on that car. Then Sunday I'm gonna record us throwing the steering wheel in this car, and then also Sunday I'm gonna try to record taking the measurements so we can get the rear deck done. Cause like I said, I'm trying to do most of this stuff myself so I can learn and I can know how to do this stuff. Even though I would rather go to a upholstery shop or a shop that makes like custom center console pieces and rear speaker holders and all that stuff. I'd rather go to a shop, but like I told y'all before, we don't have a lot of that stuff here. We have an upholstery shop, but I don't know if they do car work. You feel me? Like, I don't know if they put like material down in cars. So yeah, like I was saying, I think they only do that for housework. I think they only do housework. I don't know if they do stuff in cars. I don't know, maybe they do. I don't know, I ain't never asked, but yeah, I can figure that out later on. But for now, we're just gonna work with what we got, and we're gonna try to do everything ourselves. So like I said, I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to teach myself how to do this stuff. I ain't got nobody else to really teaching me how to do it. I can call my pops, and my pops will tell me like motor work and stuff and electrical stuff, but building that type of stuff, we ain't never done that. We ain't never built that type of stuff on our own. So that's what I want to do. I want to try and teach myself how to build that, so I can build it myself and don't have to worry about a shop having my car for so long. You feel me? Because I really don't want this car to just sit at the shop and then they don't work on it, then it be on me. Then the car just sitting there and it's getting rusty outside, getting rained on, all that stuff. But at least the weather's getting warm, so I can stand outside and learn how to do this stuff. You feel me? Like build the center consoles. I've seen a couple videos on YouTube how to build the center consoles and stuff. Now, I ain't gonna say it look easy, because you feel me, it's not easy. It's a lot you gotta do, but maybe I could teach myself how to do it. Take some time, take a couple days to try to do it, take like a week and learn how to just do that. You feel me? So we can go ahead and try and build one. But the thing is, I wasn't trying to waste a lot of money on that type of wood to get, because you feel me, that stuff ain't cheap either. But I'm getting off track. Like I said, this weekend I'm gonna try and record as many videos as possible, that way I can make sure I stay up. That's what I do, y'all. So if y'all ain't noticed, that's how I do my stuff. I try to record as much I try to record at least one or two during the week, and then record as many as possible on Saturdays and Sundays. Saturdays and Sundays are my main recording days. So if y'all see me in like the same clothes sometime, that's what it is. I'm recording a bunch in one day, that way I can stay ahead, because I don't want to get behind. Then I have trouble catching back up. So that's what that is. We're gonna try to record as much as possible this weekend. I know tomorrow, since it's not supposed to rain, I want to test fit that 24 before that 24 leave. So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow, which is for me Saturday. And then Sunday, we're gonna go ahead and throw the steering wheel on. Now, like I said, I've been watching a lot of videos on how to do it. So hopefully it don't take us too long, because I don't want to make that video too long for y'all. I just want y'all to see how it's gonna look. You feel me? But yeah, we got the new steering wheel. We got the black one that I showed y'all previously, and then we got the kit, and then we got the adapter and all that stuff. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Like I said, not this video, but within the next couple videos we should be getting ready to do that stuff. But yeah, that's really it. I'm trying to stay up. That's really all. So if y'all new to the channel, y'all hit that subscribe button for me and turn that post notification bell on. And y'all like the video for me, dog. That's how YouTube push creators' content, is by the more likes they get. So you feel me? If everybody liked the video, once y'all watch it, you feel me? We'll be up. We was getting close to 300 views now, but then they dropping back down, then they go back up. I don't know, but regardless, I'm gonna keep grinding, because like I said, I'm trying to make this my future. I'm trying to keep doing this so I can show y'all my cars, because you feel me, I'm having fun building these cars. I just love it. It's just a hobby I always picked up on. Ever since I was a little kid, my dad was building his cars. I always wanted to be there and help him work on them, and look at wheels, test fit wheels, put music in the cars, you feel me, you paint them, get them painted, get the interior done. This one, I don't think I'm gonna get the interior done, because for real, I like my seats and stuff. I just need to get the interior like touched up. And if that upholstery shop do it, if they work on cars and stuff, I'm gonna let them do my doors, because I need my doors, you feel me? Y'all see? I need my doors touched up, and then this one I need it to match. So yeah, we're gonna end up getting that worked on too. But that should be it. Yeah, so y'all give me a second, and we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing. I'm gonna show y'all everything that we got and all the kits and stuff that we need for the steering wheel. So like I said, y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, and I'll catch y'all in 1 second. Alright y'all, so I got y'all mounted up on my steering wheel, the old one. Now the first one we got is this old, well I ain't gonna say old, but this one that I've been had. Now the reason I ain't never put this on is because we didn't have the kit for this one. My dad only had one kit and he threw it in his car, so we didn't have 2 kits, so I couldn't put this steering wheel on yet. So that's why this steering wheel is not on. But let y'all get a little bit of a view of it. Now the reason why I don't really like this one is because it go in pretty deep. I don't really like how that's gonna sit. Y'all can probably see that way. I don't like how that's gonna sit. So we went ahead and ordered one, so that way I can have an option of which ones I wanted to get. Now for this kit, it was only $100 for literally everything, for the steering wheel plus the kit. This was 20, like 25, somewhere around there, Grant's kit. So that was like 25, I think. This adapter was like 11, 12, and then y'all gotta add tax, and then the steering wheel was like 60 something, 70, which was I thought was a really good deal. And then tax and shipping, so it came up to like 105. But this is the adapter. Now I had to get an adapter because the steering wheel, all the three bolt is what's in this car. So all the 3 bolts, steering wheels was like over $100. And then I found this 6 bolt. Then I did a little more research and was like, what do I need to make the 6 bolt fit onto the original 3 bolt kit, you feel me? And they say get you an adapter. So I went ahead and got this adapter. It's ½ an inch. I didn't want no really thick adapter because I didn't want the wheel to stick out too far, like I was saying. So this is a 1 inch, oh, not 1 inch, a ½ an inch adapter for the, you feel me, the 3. And then you put the bolt right there so to hold it down, and then the 6. So that's one, that's the adapter. That's one thing that we ordered. So that's one thing we got put on too after we put on this kit. Now here go the kit. Now I also want to tell y'all too, we're not gonna need the steering, the steering wheel horn, because I already got a horn mounted up with a button, you feel me? So I'm not gonna mount up the horn. I'm just gonna put the little plug in there to close it off. But here go the bolts for it, and it come with instructions. So if I do need instructions, I'll just read the instructions. But also, like I said, I watched the video on how to do it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and unbag this. Now this is the main thing that you need, you feel me, if you want to do an aftermarket steering wheel. So you gotta put that on the car, and then you put the adapter, well, after you put this black piece, you gotta put this over it, so it'll go like that. And then you put the adapter on here, and then you put the steering wheel on, you feel me? And if you want to do like a quick release, I don't know how to do the quick release stuff, so I don't want y'all trying to ask me about that. But I think this is the piece for the horn, and like I said, we're not gonna need this. So I don't know, I'm gonna watch the video again, see if because the dude said he didn't need the horn piece either. Nah, he he did a he used a different type of horn, so I don't know. I'm gonna watch the video again though. Like I said, it shouldn't take us too long. Now this hole is for, it's either this one or this one. One of these is for the wires for the horn, and like I said, we're just gonna close that off because we don't need it, and then it'll mount up. Yeah, so that's the hole for the horn right there. So it's just gonna mount up like that. Then we put the adapter on top. So yeah, like I said, it shouldn't take us too long to get it done. Hopefully, just take me like an hour. Probably not that long. For when I just gotta make sure everything, all the bolts and stuff tighten down good. Okay. Where did I put the adapter? I think I put the adapter back in that bag without putting it back in the box. Yep. Put everything back up so I can know where it's at when we gotta get ready to throw it in the car. Like I said, I ain't trying to make this video too long because this is basically just me showing y'all everything before we install it. I know most of y'all gonna say throw the new one in that I'm finna show y'all. So let me go ahead and show y'all this steering wheel. Y'all already know y'all gonna say throw this one in, but I figured it's going with my color scheme of the car. I don't know if y'all can really see the gold good, but this is blue and gold, and then that's the horn, which we're not even gonna use, so it's just gonna be sitting there to make sure it ain't no big hole in the middle of the steering wheel. But this is the blue and the gold. Now, I couldn't find the right blue, so I was just figured, man, I'm gonna just go ahead and get this blue one and gold one. I couldn't find the right blue one, especially in my price range. If I found one, they wanted a pretty penny for it. But like I said, I couldn't really find the right blue, which is like a baby sky blue, a baby blue, you feel me? And I want to do blue and gold, so I just went ahead and copped this one. Figure it's a pretty good steering wheel, I like it. So y'all see the side by sides. Y'all let me know which one y'all think. I know y'all probably gonna lean more towards this one, cause this one's like a little plain. But like I said, I don't like how deep and concave it is, you feel me? That's why I like this one, cause it's not deep at all. Y'all see? So I think this, ain't no think. This is the one I'm gonna go with. I don't want to use this one. So if I did, I wouldn't even have to use the adapter though with this one. I just bolt the kit straight up, put the bolt through the middle, and that's another thing with this one. It don't have no. We didn't when me and my pops found this steering wheel at our shop, it didn't have the piece to it, so to cover up the bolt. So that's what is missing. So that's another reason why I don't want to use this one. I'm gonna just go ahead and use this. Now when you bolt this up, you just take the 6 screws out, and then bolt into the adapter. That's really it. That's all you have to do, really. So like I said, this shouldn't take long to do. Should be pretty quick, pretty straightforward. And tonight I'm gonna watch another video just to make sure I know how to do it, that way it'll be on correctly, and I don't want nobody trying to get on my head, be like, you did it wrong, you did it wrong. So I was thinking about using this one for the Cutlass, but I'm like, man, I ain't gonna take no cheaper on that Cutlass, because that's one car I really want to build correctly, you feel me, get it back right. So we're not gonna use this one at all. Might just end up giving it to my pop so he can sell it, because we don't need it for real. So with the Cutlass, I'm gonna end up ordering one too. Now with the Cutlass, I'm not doing blue and gold since the car is already blue and yellow, you feel me? That's why I wanted to do this one blue and gold, so they'd be like sort of twins type thing. That's why I wanted to do it like a little blue and gold. Let me take y'all down real quick. So yeah, you feel me? That's why I wanted to do blue and gold. So cause I wanted them cars to look somewhat alike and be like together, you feel me? So cause that one is blue and yellow, so I wanted to do this one blue and gold to make them like close to each other. Y'all feel what I'm saying? So this is what we rocking with, you feel me? This is what we're gonna use. I don't think y'all gonna say this one, but this video should go. No, this video ain't going nowhere near out yet. So, well, for me anyways, by the time I'm recording this, for y'all gonna see the videos close together, but for me, this video is like 2 weeks ahead. Like that's how much I'm grinding right now, y'all. So I still want y'all opinions though. Y'all let me know, you feel me? Let me know what's going on, which one y'all thinking. I think y'all gonna say the gold one like I am. I really like this blue and gold one for real. But with the Cutlass, I'm gonna have to order a steering wheel for that one too, cause that one is like cracking around around this part, you feel me, it's like cracking. That's why I put the steering wheel cover on here, because ain't nothing wrong with this one. It's just, it's missing this piece. So that's why, like I told y'all before, that's why I had this steering wheel. We was gonna put it on because we didn't think the lady was gonna let us pass inspection because it didn't have this on there, but she said just as long as we had a steering wheel on there, we was fine. So that's why I ain't changed it. But now I'm finna go ahead and change it, you feel me, get it on, get it out of here. And y'all let me know, you feel me, let me know what y'all thinking. I think that blue and gold gonna look good. We're gonna eventually like I'm gonna get me like a custom logo or something for my, and give it a sticker made, and I'm gonna throw that in here, or throw it on here I should say. So we're gonna have like a custom little emblem right there, or I might just get like a caprice symbol sticker, you feel me, and throw it in the middle of there, get like a little sticker or something, throw on there, so it don't look like so plain and generic, you feel me, which it don't really bother me. Just as long as I got something in here, and as long as the car getting built the way I like it, I'm fine, you feel me. So yeah, that's really gonna be it for this one. I ain't gonna do no, I'm gonna do the outro on this little segment part. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the steering wheel. Like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. And like I said, I'm staying consistent, and now we're just taking our time with these builds. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the steering wheel. That's something different. We ain't done no steering wheel on the channel yet, so that's the next thing we installing. Y'all stay tuned for the wheels getting put on the Charger. We're gonna see how they look. If they fit, I should say, if they fit, then I'm gonna be looking for a set of 24s for that car too. Right now, I want to tell y'all this too, I found a set of 24s, well 26s I mean, for this Caprice. Now I don't know if they gonna rub or not. They don't come with tires. I don't know if I want to just jump on them and get them, because they're really cheap, they're a really good price. But like I said, I'm trying to take my time with them wheels, so I ain't just gonna jump on it right now. Once them 24s go ahead and go, then I'm gonna think about getting some more wheels for this car. But as of right now, I'm just taking everything slow. I'm still waiting on the mechanic to come and check out this car. He's so close, he's almost finished with the colors. Probably by the time y'all seeing this, I probably already got my colors back. Hopefully I do. But he said he almost done. He just rebuilding the carburetor right now. Everything else is done. Oh dang, I ain't even noticed that. But look, I don't know if y'all can see it good on camera, but you feel me, the previous owner had this painted gold. So you feel me, I'm going on the right route already. I don't know if y'all could tell on camera, but yeah, so the previous owner had that gold, so he was doing this too, blue and gold type thing. Dang, I'm going the right route. So me and him had the same vision, I guess. But yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all be prepared for the steering wheel videos coming real soon. The wheels on the Charger, we're gonna test fit them. Hopefully they fit, that way I can go and look for a set of 24s for that car too. But like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn that post notification bell to all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.